of snow out there as well.
Right, just a few flurries flying. We did have some freezing drizzle. That's enough with temperatures at or below freezing. Possibly could, like I said, not reaching the ground. Where we could possibly see more in the way of some lighter snow showers, you got to go with the deeper shades of blue here. You see that right on the steps of Medina County over into Lorain, right around Medina, maybe a few flurries at that point. Zooming in a little bit closer here, just south of Grafton and right in between Strongsville and Brunswick. A few flurries flying out towards Menor, up towards North Madison. Really, that's about it. We'll be talking about some lake effect, though, as we get into tonight. The better shot, though, will be Friday night for our snowbelt communities. It's just going to be our east siders. It's just going to be the snowbelt areas. Right now, though, just those flurries around. Much of us dry at the moment, but it's definitely cold. You can already see lake effect snow going on in portions of western New York and then off Lake Ontario, too. This is where there are winter weather advisories, lake effect snow advisories, and lake effect snow warnings. For us, still some creeks above flood level. That's where there's some flood warnings. But you got to go. So if you're heading I-90 out towards New York, maybe you have some big ski plans. No problems there if you're headed out towards the hills in portions of New York here. I think Holiday Valley out there. Now, just take a look at just how much snow I'm expecting. So yeah, there could be a few lake effect snow showers tonight out towards Ashtabula mainly. Little to no accumulation, so no problem snow-wise. This is where you're seeing over about a half a foot of snow if you're heading into New York. So northeast Ohio, okay, I want to time it out for you hour by hour. Lots of clouds around, definitely a cold night tonight. You're going to need your hats, your gloves, bundle up as you're headed to dinner or as you're headed to your New Year's Eve festivities. Here, right around the I-90 corridor, that's where you can see a few lake effect snow showers, very few far in between. Little to no accumulation expected by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, could possibly see some breaks of sunshine. Not expecting a lot, though. Clouds will quickly thicken back up. And then we're talking more about a lake effect event Friday night into early Saturday morning. Couple inches of possibility. Temperature-wise, everybody cold. We're at 31 degrees in Cleveland, 30 in Lorain, 31 in Akron. I'm waiting on the official high today to tell you that December will likely go down in the record books as the warmest December ever on record in northeast Ohio, but I have to make it official. It normally comes in around 5 o'clock. 31 degrees in Cleveland right now. You can see the colder air continuing to spill into the Buckeye State. How about this? 16 degrees in Minneapolis. I do have a teen in my 8-day forecast. I'll let you know where in just a second. And it's overnight, not during the day. 26 degrees tonight. I hope you have a wonderful New Year's Eve. Please be safe with your family and your loved ones. Mostly cloudy, cold with just a few flurries flying. Should not slow you down. Tomorrow we're right at the freezing point. Lots of clouds with some breaks of sun from time to time. Lake effect snow showers will develop out east. Lake Geauga, Ashtabula, we'll be watching for this late tomorrow night into early Saturday morning. So, Happy New Year. 32 degrees as we start off 2016. We'll continue with a few lake effect snow showers early Saturday, but we're continued cold. Temperatures actually right around cold air moving in, but lots of sunshine towards the middle of the week.
Somebody said we're down about a foot of snow December compared to most Decembers. Is that right?
We are down a lot. It's more about 5 inches, 4 or 5 inches, I want to say, is what our average is at Hopkins at least.
Well, that's enough, but we'll have time to get out those snow blowers and the shovels before the winter is through, right?
It's going to happen. Okay. January looking a little bit cooler now.
Good.
Earlier. Now with temperatures falling below the freezing point, we could have some icy spots on untreated surfaces. More of some lake effect snow variety as we head into tomorrow, the first day of 2016, and into the upcoming weekend. So East Siders, you want to stay tuned. 15 cold with a few flurries flying. I'll talk more about some lake effect snow showers and if we're going to warm up coming up.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy
This is very
New Year
exciting.
to you too, Lou.
And 2016 we know is going to be a great year for everybody.
I think so, and we're going to bring it in cold. We had a record-breaking December. Looks like we'll carry into some colder air coming into 2016. So if you wanted the cold, maybe you want some snow. It's going to happen. Some of us east siders, lake effect snowbelt areas, could have some lake effect snow going on several rounds over the next couple of days here. So here's your New Year's forecast. New Year's Eve, I just want you to watch out for some slick spots as you're out and about, because we did have a few freezing drizzle around, even some flurries. So could have some icy conditions with temperatures falling at or below the freezing point. Your New Year's forecast, cold, wind chills in the teens. You're bundling up. No tricky travel-wise or weather-wise. I hope you remain safe as you are traveling out and about tonight and tomorrow. Now feeling more like winter, 30s the next several days, and we do have some cold nights ahead of us. Plus lake effect snow showers. Best chance, or our next chance at least, will come Friday night. Snow belt eastern areas a couple inches into Saturday morning. Right now on Storm Fox, we do have a couple of flurries out there at the moment. Most of this not reaching the ground. Should be out of here by around 8, 9 o'clock. And then possibly some lake effects starting for mainly Ashtabula County after midnight tonight. Little to no accumulation expected. Where I am expecting accumulation, you got to go out towards western New York, right off of the eastern basin of Lake Erie and over into Ontario. This is where we do have some lake effect advisories and warnings. For us, nothing as of the moment, but if that changed, I'll let you know coming up. Now, this is what's going on. We have a trough just to the north and west of us. This is going to move into our area late Friday night into Saturday morning. That's going to be our next shot of really some lake effect snow plus some reinforcing cold air. We'll have several rounds of this. Another one will come in Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then another one Monday morning. Otherwise, outside of the snowbelt communities, I mean, take a look at this. Finally, at least quiet along the Mississippi River Valley area. They definitely do not need any more rain or even snow for that matter. I'm going to take you hour by hour here. Can't rule out a few lake effect snow showers tonight out east. Again, little to no accumulation, not expecting much. Tomorrow morning, we actually could see a few breaks of sunshine before clouding right back up by Friday night into Saturday morning. More of a lake effect snow event, a couple inches possible. 31 right now in Cleveland, same with Akron, Canton. We're 30 Lorain down to Worcester. The colder air will continue to build on into our region. That, yes, I do have some colder temperatures as we head into Monday night. Wait until you see that. 26 degrees tonight, mostly cloudy, cold with a few flurries. Tomorrow, New Year's Day, 32. Everybody cold. You're going to see some breaks of sunshine. And then after around 4 o'clock, some lake effect will start to kick in out east. Lake Geauga, Ashtabula County. That'll continue into Saturday. Continued cold, though. Temperatures right in the low to mid 30s. Overnight lows in the 20s. Sunday, another round of lake effect. Sunday night into early Monday morning. Monday night, that's going to be a cold one. You're going to hear, but a quiet week ahead.
All right, we've had a lot of quiet weeks, but eventually we're going to get hit heavy with the snow, aren't we?
We have. There's some models that are hinting at some bigger snows coming at us maybe next weekend.
More like winter in
That'll
Northeast
change, you know.
Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. Thank
Right.
you, Jen.
Right? I hope you had your hats and gloves too, because it's definitely cold out there. If you are headed out and about tonight, you're definitely going to have to bundle up. The one thing I want you to watch out for, there could be some icy spots. We did have some freezing drizzle and now a few flurries around right now, so the untreated surfaces could possibly be a little bit slick. Not expecting widespread problems though. So